Also, Hitachi offers a lot of excellent educational resources for any K-12 teacher or higher education professor to utilize. Just to give you a preview of what we offer, as I might have mentioned earlier, we have over 5,000 different learning objects, templates, backgrounds, and diagrams that a teacher can use, import, annotate over, and make interactive. Also, on our website, we offer, let me just launch our website over here, Internet Explorer. This is the Hitachi software website right here. And if you go to our Educator's Corner, which is located right here, you can find over 500 different lessons that are aligned to state standards from various subjects: English, mathematics, science, art. We're going to be adding more. Our target is to at least have 1,000 within the next year. And a lot of this content is created by teachers and also professionally developed. When we get our lessons first developed, we take our lessons and we send them to Cambridge University, where they evaluate the pedagogy and educational quality of the lesson. That feedback is then planted back to Hitachi, and we pass that on to the content development company to make the appropriate adjustments. So here's a lesson covering area and perimeter. We can view the objectives of this lesson by dragging out this pull tab here, and here's the relevant standard. And also, here are just some instructions that a teacher could use to plan out the lesson. Now here's the lesson itself. We're describing the area and perimeter of this rectangle over here. We see that it's 6 by 2 units. So a student can pick up a pen and come up to the board and answer this question. And so we can to find the area of that rectangle, 6 times 2. If we want to reveal the answer, we pick up our eraser. We reveal the answer over there. We have a joint company called Cambridge Hitachi. And what Cambridge Hitachi does is they develop educational software specifically for interactive whiteboards. This is one of their award-winning applications that they offer, which is called Multi-Mass Toolbox. Multi-Mass Toolbox won an award at BET, which is the world-renowned educational technology show that takes place in London. Multi-Mass Toolbox is designed to explore various different math concepts, and you can really see how an application like this comes to life with an interactive whiteboard. Where, as opposed to maybe we would be using this application with a mouse and a keyboard and just simply projecting onto a screen, a student can come up here and see how different parts relate to the whole by dragging a fraction there, and just visually seeing and understanding this concept by using virtual manipulators. Another interesting feature in the Multi-Mass Toolbox, which really shows off the feather touch of the new Starboard FX Duo, is this digital dartboard here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this dartboard, I'm going to select a dart, and by simply just taking a crumbled piece of paper, you can see how sensitive this board is to touch, where it doesn't require too much pressure or anything just to get an annotation or interaction from it. So here's a particular application that was probably not necessarily designed for this purpose. It might have designed if the teacher actually manually puts the darts on the board like that. But now, by taking a crumpled piece of paper and throwing it at the dartboard, we can see that we can still do make the mark or put the dart right onto the board, which can then make your lesson or your classroom experience a lot more entertaining, a lot more engaging, adding that element of theatrics to really captivate your students. So in terms of educational content, there's a lot of choices available. There's the learning objects included in the Starboard software, the 5,000 templates, clip arts, and diagrams that a teacher can use, and that we'll be updating and adding more dynamic flash objects. The downloadable lessons and activities from our website, the Cambridge Hitachi software that is available. The software Multi-Mass that I was showing is available in a light edition for free to all our customers, and the full edition is also offered at a very good price. It's the teacher that knows, the presenter that knows how to use the software that brings the board to life, that makes it interactive. And so Hitachi understands that, and we do offer resources for training. When you install the CD, there are several training videos that you can watch to get you going. There are also more training videos on our Educator Resources Center that you can watch to reinforce learning. Also, you can contact Hitachi and we can pair you up with a trainer in your area, or we can work out a training package where someone can fly out and train your school or your area to effectively learn how to use this product. Also, a small business can easily put this board into their conference room and have the look and feel of a Fortune 500 company. They can invite clients over and give an interactive sales presentation using 21st century technology and really blow their clients away. Everything is saved and captured. They can load several business applications like PowerPoint, Word, Excel spreadsheets, show value-added features of their offerings, and write notes or any feedback during that business sales presentation or a collaboration meeting where they're doing any type of product launches. They can now make it more interactive and use cutting-edge technology. One of the questions that you might be asking yourself as you're seeing this board is, how much does it cost? The million-dollar question. And surprisingly, this board is very affordable. With Hitachi's cost-effective design and engineering, the MSRP for this board is $19.99. But you shouldn't be surprised if you actually see that price a lot lower when you actually contact our dealers. Our dealers work very well with education customers, with nonprofits, and offering them very competitive prices. It also depends on opportunity as well. If a school or institution or business is purchasing more than one board, outfitting a couple of rooms, or an entire school or district, you could see the price significantly be reduced.
Now, here to tell us more about the new short-throw CP A100 projector is John Glad, Product Manager at Hitachi America.
I'm standing in front of the Hitachi CP A100 Ultra Short Throw projector. This ultra short throw projector is accomplished by a new free surface, lens, and mirror. The projector can throw a 60-inch image from 17 inches from the screen. The A100 was designed with the whiteboard in mind. Its short throw distance allows you to stand in front of the whiteboard without casting a shadow. It can also be used as for digital signage or in any area where space is an issue. The projector is very similar to all of our other projectors. It has a lamp door on top and a 400-hour filter in the back for easy maintenance. The projector has a 7-watt speaker and also has an RJ45 port. This RJ45 port allows you to use Hitachi's PJ Control and PJ Man software. This software is free and downloadable from the Hitachi website. The PJ Control software allows you to control the projector from a remote location. The PJ Man software allows you to maintain and monitor the projector from a remote location. PJ Man software also includes eShot. eShot allows you to store up to 4 JPEG images in the projector. That means that using PJ Control software, you can turn on the projector from a remote location and send your message to the projector via RJ45. This can help with campus security or campus messaging. The A100 also has My Screen. My Screen allows you to put your company logo or your school logo as an opening screen every time the projector starts up. This screen is locked into place by a PIN code, so it cannot be removed, which is an added security feature. The projector also has a security bar on the side for a large chain, plus a Kensington lock slot for a smaller chain.
With Hitachi, you get a complete one-stop interactive solution for your teaching, training, and conferencing needs.